We'll demonstrate Ceylon stitch. First stitch back stitch on these 3 sides. As foundation, let's stitch. Can see there are 2 small lines on both sides. We stitch row of back stitch. And these 5 rows above. Also stitch 5 back stitches. Let me demonstrate. First come up at lower left corner. Stitch small back stitch. Note, back stitches. Here shouldn't be too long. This row stitch about 6 to 7 back stitches. Return and take down. Come up forward. Continue return and take down. When stitching, must maintain consistent stitch spacing and length, not one long, one short. That way, stitched will be uneven. Final presented effect also not good looking. We stitch these 5 above. Again, come up at crossing point above vertical line. Stitch 1 back stitch above each. Same number of back stitches as left side. When stitching, must align with left side. Return and take down. This way, stitched 1 foundation. Next stitch this top part. Come up outside of first back stitch on left. Then thread from below first back stitch above. Here only thread, not fabric. Then pull thread. When pulling, don't pull too tight. Leave small loop on fabric. Then thread needle through this loop. Again, don't pull tight. Leave small loop on fabric. Then, thread needle from above, second back stitch. When threading, note needle must press on this thread. Pull thread. Let it form crossed shape. Then thread needle from above third back stitch. Needle must press on this thread. Pull thread. From above fourth back stitch. These loops here. Each time must pull to consistent size. Not one large, one small. That way, stitched pattern will look strange. After stitching these 5 above, take down outside of first back stitch on right. Use needle to adjust it. This way completed first circle, next stitch second circle. Second circle come up here outside of second back stitch. Can look here above. Each one is crossed shape. We thread needle through crossed position above. Thread it. Here again, don't pull thread tight. Leave loop on fabric. Loop here shouldn't be too large. Too large won't form tight state. Second stitch again, thread through crossed position above. Then pull thread. Here forms crossed pattern. From second stitch, directly pull thread. Third stitch again, at crossed position above. Thread needle through. Pull thread. Next thread, fourth loop. Pull thread. When pulling, try to go slowly. Pulling too fast, this loop will pull up. This way, completed second row wrapping. Again, take down outside of second back stitch. Next, proceed with third circle. Come up here at third back stitch. Same operation. First thread through loop at crossing point above. Then thread through this loop below. Stitch in sequence. When stitching, must be one stitch tightly interlocked with another. Let its chain loops present compact state. Can change to another color. Enrich color impact. Come up here at fourth back stitch. Again, thread through chain loops above. If feel stitched part above shaking when threading. Can press it down with finger. This way will be easier to operate. Following these operation steps, wrap in sequence. This stitch looks like suspended fabric. I usually use it for clothing woven embroidery. Can stitch very nice texture lines. Last stitch, come up here at end. Again, thread needle through crossing point above. Pull thread. Take down here. Fix it in place. Demonstrate again. Come up at left position of second row. Thread needle through crossing point above. Pull thread. Take down on right side. Pull thread. Take down. Let's see the overall finished effect.